Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add header background image on Wix. The first thing you need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select the plus at the top that says add elements. After tapping on the plus, you are going to select image, and from here you can either choose to upload an image or you can choose one of the free images from Wix. So you can simply select free from Wix if that's what you want, and you can see different images that you can use. So for example, let's say I wanted to use this one right here. All I'll have to do is simply tap on the image, then drag it to the position that I want in the header right here. And you'll see attach the header as you can see on my screen. Then you'll simply let go of the image. Then you'll be able to move the image around to fix it properly. And you can also adjust the size of the header as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.